Hello everybody, and welcome to this special birthday episode of how to build a 105 thunderchief. Well, I've kind of been waiting around for that UPS truck to show up all day and show up with my new birthday jet, and man, it ain't showed up. Go figure. No birthday Twinkie, nothing. Nobody loves me. I had to talk the wife into making me a cake. Let's see if it happens. Okay. Ain't no loafing on my birthday. Oh no. Uh-oh. Is that the UPS truck? UPS truck. Doggone it. Cause I didn't get your order in on time. Okay, got me one more of these laminate blades. Now what I decided to use I know what you're going to say, Bob. You tried that stuff before. You didn't like it. Well, I've got a new idea. The thing is, that thick wood, it's so hard to clay up because it just keeps wanting to fall down in there. This thin wood's easier to clay up. Problem was, it's flexible. My old dad had some scrap wood, and I had to bring me up with some sticks. So I'm going to hot glue these sticks to the bottom of this. And put a couple ribs across it, see if we can't firm it up. Plus this stuff's cheap. It's like $11 for this big old sheet. I think it'll work myself, but we're gonna see right here live on this special birthday episode of Bob TV. I think we'd be having a party or something. But, no, it's another day. Sure does cut good, especially with that laminate blade, man. Okay, now gotta cut out the inside. Okay, now I gotta attempt to cut this and stay on my line. floppy. You wait, I'm gonna fix that. And it ain't gonna be that difficult to do. Now I got this big old floppy thing here, and what I want to do is I want to kind of build a cradle that the wing just fits in. Okay, I'm going to come on this back side and I'm going to glue some of them sticks. I'm going to put a couple legs on it this way with you know, the shape of the wing cut in it. So this will sit flat on the table, the wing will sit right on it and won't wobble. Okay, that's the plan. You heard it right here. So I'm going to get some more boards cut. Then I'll be back with some more Bob TV. Take these scraps right here and turn them into nice straight pieces. Get out the old straight edge. Should have been wearing my glasses, would have been a little easier to see that line.